What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, we have Shay and Raja link up and I done K. You see me I say. We also have we have Shibada. Yeah, I talk about the whole Rosealee situation, you know what I mean, and the machine where the officers them find and who get charged for the machine. You see me? So we also my people have a discussion with Shay, Onella and two other person about the case situation. You know what I mean? Shape on her life say boy she no owe K no obligation as she and Shana Chin friend. You see me people? I want to tell me what you think in the comment section because we're gonna kick it off right now. I know I left out some of the things them, but I just can't remember everything for mention in the intro, but then definitely I go see it. Definitely I go see it and hear it in the video and maybe we'll add more things also. So make we get in it my people.
All of a sudden, one review turn from yeah girl, yeah do the sound good to me hear some body all tough. It leave from a review of a song to me hear some body tough. Cause remember them say Rochelle shape like carrot. Cause Keona have a problem with every girl and body. When she class girl, she tell them about them body. And Keona no sister she favor satellite. And she look like porridge when it want blood clot mix out, pure lump. So tell me now, how is that a misunderstanding? You're pre-me. Thank God for the screen record page, what screen record for make me know say she a pre-me. Dolly put up one screen record make me know say Keona pre-me. Long blood clot time. So me no want a girl come tell me nothing.
You see what you started?
Me no want a girl come tell me nothing. The one of the girl them go suck out to no mother. Me no want to no tell me nothing. Me can't hear. Me no girl no friend. Me a girl associate on TikTok. Me no friend. Me no phone call. The Keona love chat. Keona boss ears, you know. I wonder if you know that.
Hey, down the live. When you stop them for jump. In the she not the live. When you two mix up.
Don't jump. Stay fire there. Mama telling you something. Keona have a problem. She chat enough. Her ears. She will bust your ears. If you get Keona in your ears, it not done. The eardrum bust something. Cause she love chat blood clad people. But you know say you can't play with me. Cause the moment you come for chat people, me give you one blood clot reconnecting. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Your boss is not blood clot. You don't want to stop. I mean could deal with it.
Come suck me. Come suck my hole. But not even be here. When you come pump on a back shot position and suck up my hole. All the black here. Remember my mother no giant church and me this up the whole out. Roll out.
Sometimes can't chat too much, man. I'm tired of the K them. I'm not telling a lie. I'm tired of the K them, man. Blood clot. She chat too much sometimes. She don't know if it done. Tired of the K them. Everybody knows I'm tired of the K them.
And then she change the narrative and come on TikTok come behave like me vex because you unfollow me or me never vex say unfollow me. Only ask me something and I say I get an unfollow just for a review. Bitch, me keep it moving. Me didn't live on it. Me didn't live on it, Onella?
No.
Did I live on it?
No.
It's just that the people make comments that say rascal, then K and follow Shay, and that was me never live on it. For sure, you say me not feel no way all that.
I just threw Jabass go outside.
And because so could Jabass see her come on the screen last night. So could Jabass go blood clot ask her about why you unfollow Shay because the girl come on the live. Me see the girl, I'm not even gear no acknowledgement. Me put on my head so. But me know so she come on my screen and told Jabass open him so cock him out.
Jabass just stirred the pot, which this time
blood clot.
Hey, I want to touch on something that I'm gonna talk about Kay and understand where she's coming from. I also want to touch on something. You see, when it comes to Shauna, it freaking breaks my heart because I don't understand why people make it seem like she's the bottom of the barrel. Maybe I'm missing something. Like, what is it that make y'all think that like she's the worst of the worst of the worst? Thank you for being like.
She used to deal with Gully Bop. Let me tell you. I can't tell you anything. She used to deal with Gully Bop.
Okay, so what's the significance? Because teach the audience, like, because some of us don't know.
Me not teach them suck cocky girl and nothing because them fuck worse than Shauna.
But
boy fuck them and not pay them nothing. Them sell fuck like a dog, so me not teach them all or ya nothing.
So
them
can you teach?
Let me tell you something. I truly don't know the girl them secret. Them is a private prostitute.
Yeah. So can
me
you
not teach some bitch not no via. Me not teach them nothing. Them go like say shit dab the blood clot. But I truly don't know them body. Let me tell you something, Onella. You see, if we even know some of them girl blood clot inside closets. Hey, no stop your so. It no stop your so. Onella, if we even know them girl in them closet or deep, it no stop your so. I truly don't know. I truly Shauna make her fuck them be knowing.
Okay, Shay, can you teach me what's the significance of being with a gully bop? Like what is that? Like, what is so demeaning or nasty or not so good about that? Like, what is it?
Me not see nothing wrong with it, you know, because guess what? Gully bop him have him pity them. Gully bop did a baby mother. So if your man have so much baby mother and so much pitney, me not see nothing wrong. It's just that things just reach him when just become mad. I think so. I think him did mad at one point, and Shauna bring him back to life. The man a human. Him a only let him get kids, you know.
Okay.
Him a baby mother. Things only that things happen to us sometime in our life where we get homeless. We start to eat. Go people place, go beg them food, whatever. Life just get hard upon him one way. Wait, just take him over and a Shauna did some go so boom and grab him, give and the fame and come him and him come up back. And she come up with him too.
Well, I'm gonna lie to you, anybody can bring back a man where stay like that. I don't need just one padlock.
Him just see that, let me tell you, him just see that go through one phase. Drugs mash him up. Him take coke and you know the thing. You understand what I say? Him think kind of get messed up. So you know, shot so eat them a beat the girl for. Them a beat her for. Yeah.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. So more I know if Onella never know say Shauna Chin did there with Gully Bop and that stain up her name and that also give her fame. You see me say Billa and it broke her down too. You see me? I would say it be like any publicity good for a person who want out there. You know what I mean? And it open, Gully Bop kind of open some doors for her, make her name, people know her name and them with it. You see me I say? And we can't condemn nobody because we are all human beings. But Shauna bust the kiss too early from Gully Bop. Should have waited him, she should have put in some teeth in her mouth, clean him up better than that, put on some weight on him, and then she kiss him publicly. And the kissing of me people, I know nothing else but the kiss when she kissed Gully Bop, you know. At that mash him up, you know. He should have kissed Gully Bop. He should have given him a kiss on the jaw or somebody. You know what I mean? I kiss on mouth, mash him up. But let me know what you think, make watch somewhere.
Yeah. Gully Bop this, madman that. And she said she never smell him out yet. As a man when I really have much teeth, she never smell him out yet.
Right.
But come here, Onella. We fuck, someone we fuck worse than that, you know.
I agree. I totally agree. Yeah.
Okay. Someone we fuck worse than that. And that's because we don't really know each other's business and each other's secrets.
Yeah.
Right. As I'm say, you're private whore and you're public whore.
Okay. Can I just publicly say my opinion about Shauna? According to the internet and what you guys deem her as, and how you guys try to like seem as though she is the bottom of the barrel, which I don't see it. From where she's coming from, I feel like she's done pretty well for herself. Shauna has her own place. She's not catching with nobody. She's not couch hopping or couch surfing. She got her own car. She got her own money, and she's doing pretty well for herself for a big woman. Me and Shauna went out to eat. I think it was sometime last year, and the
Go pay Jabass the man. Talk all that talk.
Come here, Shay. And you know the bill came out to Shay. You know the bill came out to $20-something thousand, and she took care of it all by herself, and then she jumped in her BMW.
That's why she talk for.
No, I'm serious. No, because I'm like, let me tell you something. Jamaica is a third world country, and Jamaica is very, very hard. And some of these bitches don't even got a pot to piss in. So you see, when you got a house and you got a car, and Shauna got cards, okay? Cards she has. So when you're grown and you're able to like take care of yourself, y'all can't try to like style the girl. And some of y'all might think that y'all so perfect, and y'all don't know what makes these men fall in love with her. Y'all don't know if it's her coochie. Y'all don't know if it's because even when we were on the live and 10 was talking, and you see when he was talking, how she just sat there like a little girl and allowed him to talk. Like, I just felt like she was so submissive to him. And I'm like, look, yeah. Like the way how she looks at him. You don't know if it's how you make a man feel.
For me, girl.
Yeah.
That's why I know say. That's why I know say K on a mouth. Make sure married 16 times and divorced 16 times and married 16 balloon. Because guess what? Me hear K on a power. Jabass, move your old egg, you know? Me hear K on a power and like this man in here right now. When me and him a cussing now, and me know say me if anything what me tell him not hurt him. So me tell him the things that me for hurt him. Onela, Keona is very disrespectful. If you have a man and him love him mother dearly and the mother a Christian, you class the man, you tell him say mother fuck in a church, pastor fuck her, deacon fuck her, and you know say the man mother I'm weak, she's very disrespectful. That is why she cannot keep her man. The mouth and the hole, it have a problem. And the people in the comments, not them are egg around them on. A true, I saw me stay too, you know. My mouth and my downfall. And my mouth, she's very disrespectful. It's not nice, Onela. It is not nice to when you and your man have a problem and you keep on a cuss him mother, him sister, him auntie, him uncle, every blood clot body a class. That's not right, Onela. That is not right.
Okay. I want to ask you a very important question. Do you think that, do you understand the concept of her? Okay, remember they're in a marriage, right? They're still legally married. She says that's still her legal husband. Do you kind of like understand the concept of like, it could be some sort of like embarrassment for her to still be on the neck, your co-worker come for your man from you, and you're kind of like parading.
Me not like how you say that part then. Me not forgot clear that co-worker.
How would you prefer me to rephrase it?
She and Shauna is not no friend. It's no co-worker business. Them not play a match like that. Them not know. It's not a co-worker business. I don't know friend thing.
Shay, can I tell you about 2 weeks ago? You know Shauna, Kay, and you know that girl that used to shoot for Blam them. You know, say all of them did one party together.
But them are not friend.
Me know, but me just I tell you, say, me see one video where all of them was at a party together.
Yeah, but them not friend. I don't know friend business.
Yeah, I didn't say they were friends. I didn't say they were friends. But my question to you is, do you kind of like understand the concept of her kind of like being hurt a little bit with her husband being paraded on the internet with like someone that she used to play with or someone that she partied with in the past?
Yes, but it is always good to admit the fact.
I agree with that. I totally agree.
Right, admit the fact that I really feel away him a pussy, him should have go this far, him should have go with this far, him a pussy, me feel like we are supposed because I'm still married, him should have choose somebody where they on the internet, talk how you really feel. Do not come for them, choose Shay.
Yeah, but listen now, Onela, listen.
Yeah, Shay.
Remember you come talk, you tell Lava, you tell Donia and Six and all of them say. You and 10 never there. You and him left, you go fuck one boy, you come with Icky Panic and the boy buy this put in your house. So, nobody no care who you want fuck, nobody no care who you want fuck, so you not supposed to be a problem who him want fuck. That is your problem. You don't care what you want fuck or what you want do with your pussy. Because you the on your level talk brawling as a raw truth boss say. You're brawling, and you know whole pussy principle, and you just fuck because you're a fuck, you say you love fuck. That is your problem. You fuck husband fuck, you fuck husband fuck. What the problem? It shouldn't be an issue, Onela. What them want to talk to me, you, Barb, we not care and I feel a problem that.
Right.
It shouldn't be a problem who you want to talk to if upon the internet, off the internet, that is not our business.
Right.
I don't want to go on Jabass live. I don't need to go on Jabass live. I go on Jabass live, go look for. I don't need to do that. I don't watch Jabass comment. Jabass a hypocrite. I don't care about Jabass and him comments. That don't have nothing to do with me. As long as them not talk right, so somebody can get
and so you know, I'm not reading the comments either. I'm not reading the comments.
Yeah, about comment section. I get on the boy and feed me. I tell a girl come eat me.
Yeah, I'm not reading the comments. So, Shay. What was very I think if Kay's gonna argue with anybody, she should argue it with the mister. I don't think she should argue with you, or she should style Shauna. I think
Mama tell you what Kay problem. I tell you what bad dog problem. Bad dog like for back. She like to roof. I have to go so in a one blood clot cut. Bad dog like to back off for people. Are you supposed to run out gonna one can and go say Jesus Christ, oh Jesus? You know when the big dog them back off for the small puppy them, a she that. And that's her problem. She like for back and bull, and she are the bully and me are the boss, and everybody supposed to be loyal to me. And if you don't know say 10 and fuck girl, you don't have to come tell me who the fuck you be. Yes, Maddie? Who you be? You come like the big bulldog them, and everybody for come like one puppy and in a one corner they pan
The people, as some real talk shit I make. The reason all of this I get out of control and blow out of proportion is because K now get over the man yet and left the man, and the man take up somebody you know. You see me I say that cause the problem, and not even the song, you know, my people. The song is not the problem, you know. I take the man go take up a different woman and I knock it, you know. And you want me, you know, okay, I imagine how the man and knock it. You see me I say, because as how him used to knock she. You see me I say that she a pre, you know. But you can't go make man in the background, make the man hear different man in your house in the background, and him a try to get back him woman. And man I go do things for hurt you. You see me? So let me know what I think my people make watch some more.
because you back off away.
Guys, double tap the live and follow, please. Shay and
I
have a question.
ask me anything.
I know you answer, Mama. I know you answer. I seen a screen recording where Kay was saying that 10 knows what he's doing and she's just playing along with the game and so forth. Do you think that is a possibility that maybe she's a little bit hurt, but at the same time she's playing into it and kind of like going along with it and making, because I truly don't think that the song was about her, because her name wasn't called. But do you think she thinks that a game is being played and she's also playing a game as well?
She not play no game. Mama correct you, she not little bit hurt, she big hurt. It too, little bit it big. I want big blood clot hurt. Because if one girl come in a one song, come do one song with one man, and them a throw what me a come behave and bothered no blood clot. Your song could get me for come answer you for going to store there. Going to store say, well, legally married, so you are my husband. Me have to ask God why. That could reach me, Onella. That's all I mean. Onella, that's all I me a crash out. Me a crash out.
My heart is kind of like split in two, and I'm gonna tell you, Shay, why my heart is split in two. Because honestly, if I was married and I seen my husband with somebody else on the internet, no matter how
him not there. He not Onella legally married to husband, but you not there. You not fuck the two and not fuck for 9 months. You not there. So me now come there, pan. Me legally married, so you are my husband. I me have to ask the God why. I me can't cry no more. Me not the bad up on your lap. Nella, leave me alone. One more question you want to ask me, journalist? One more, come tired. One more you want to ask me, journalist? Come on, depend that.
Okay, I feel like you have a lot of inside. Okay, I feel like you have a lot of inside. Ja. I feel like you have a.
Hey, not talk to her, sir. Move your blood clot, stinking Jabass. Not talk to her, sir. Blood clot. Talk, Onella.
I can't understand. You know what this is? She LOVE this.
Alright, Shay, I feel like you have a lot of like inside information. You said that you got paid to promote the song. Did you know before that Shauna and 10, not by rumors and people coming in your inbox, from either confirmation from Shauna or confirmation from 10, did you know that they were together?
No. Me and Shauna not talk about no relationship, nothing at all. Me never know nothing. Let me tell you when me start to pick up things. Me see people in the comment section and say, me see Kay and Shauna a river. Me no stay so for go on phone with the pan. Shauna come now because me and her friend only that is not my space. I won't come on a phone call and say, come here girl. Me here say you attend the river, me not do them something there. I just pan TikTok, me come and me go and mix here me. You know, but it's when you see phone call a different business me depend. Anyways, mama tell you when I realize that there's some chemistry and something is there. Mrs. Shauna and 10 depend live. Them a do their music, I do their music.
Y'all will tap the screen, please.
Y'all listen to me?
I'm listening, Shay.
Okay. Mrs. Shauna and 10 depend live at the review song and Missy Shauna eyes 10. And him smile and him look back. What me depend me live, me hear when 10 say, barbz. So me say, barbz? I want name blood clot, babe. So I start to say, rascal, so Shauna and 10 and things club. You know me fast and me love people business like dog. So I start to put one to and I say, babes. I saw the blood clot 10 and call Shauna babes. And some babes are going and so. Anyways, I send the request and I go up in her box. So I say, what go you so here now? A song where them say, oh. Okay, is that song? She said, oh, yes, song I want to say, oh, all right. I come out her box and I gone. Little from that now, them give me a phone call.
Alright, my people, I don't talk too much, but I know what you think in the comment section. Make you watch some more.
When the phone call come in, I spoke to 10. 10 say, what go and Shay? I'm say nothing. And him say, talk to me, man. Oh, you sound something. No one, only I know me stay. So I say, no, man, there, man, what? Him say, anyways, it's a promotion me I give for do. Me I pay you for put out one song for me. I say, all right, no problem, I can deal with it. Him I say, Ashana make him know, say, if me put out the song and so the song can, you know? But him just have to give me a piece of food. Him say, me I beg your strength. I say, all right, no problem, I have you. Them send me the song. A 2 songs them send me. I'm gonna be honest now. Them send me 2 songs. Them send me that song you know. Them send me the Toxic series. And them send me the other song we just released yesterday. When me listen to the 2 of them, them tell me say the second one it not come out yet, so I'm not for play it. I respect the people them thing, I'ma just do the first one.
Yeah.
Remember, I not only listen to the song before the song go out there. Anyways, I get my little dividends, I come, I put up a song. I tell the people them say, go follow up the song, I start to do the review, I talk about the chemistry and whatever. But only I don't know nothing, I never go on a phone call and action or business. Only that is not my speech. I don't steer like that. I don't. People see me on the internet and feel like a summer stay. Me not go on phone call, go there pan. Come here, girl. So me hear say you antenna fuck and so. Me not so mix. Me mix it on the internet. Personal phone call. Me not ask people them business. Me not do that. You have to tell me. Me not ask you. Up to today, day, Ashana never admit to me say she antenna and up now. Me don't ask her.
Wow.
I don't ask. And she still not admit nothing to me. She said she doing music and music she do. Me leave her make she do her music on her. Me not ask woman her business. I don't care. That is my problem.
Of manners. Shay attack.
And a feel me problem. That me not care. The only way. Me wait upon you to come tell me a business. Me not ask. If I'm telling you something, if you not have a friend and them ask you the business, drop it blood clot. And I want a friend that. We upon the girl them to come tell you their business instead of go upon phone call and them yeah girl. So you fuck the boy and so and you fuck me upon that bro.
So to answer the question, you did not know they were together, and to this day, you still didn't get a confirmation.
Honestly, me don't know them if them they or not. Me still don't know. Me not get no confirmation, nothing at all. I don't know. It's me just to put out something out there. I don't know. Because I'm selling a song, me sell a song. That's all me do. Me don't know if them there. As I said, the woman not confirm nothing to me. Me don't know. I know she not take me. Me not ask her business neither.
Okay.
Me just assume say them in a something, but I never ask her.
Okay. Okay.
That is not my space.
Okay. Separating the difference between what you and Kay have, right? The argument, the back and forth, the disrespect, all of that. Do you have any empathy for her, or even think that she deserves any empathy?
What kind of empathy she deserve? Before, me didn't have little empathy towards her. But mama tell you something. Miss 16 Balloon is a girl like this. She live on girl and so like a chichi. Remember when Rosealee go through her blood clot, deeps and tribbles and tribulation. The woman pregnant. The woman can't get a blood clot rest. Keona go the girl pussy tongue a blood clot. So when mama tell you what Keona problem. Keona like to live on girl pussy clit. I want them live on fear when she blood clot vex. So no, me not have no empathy towards her. Because I tell you something. Onela, karma there everybody doorstep. Be careful how you pray upon deep people don't fall and laugh after people can see there. Karma knock pan. Me no, Keona bring down blood clot Rosealee, you know. But dinner, you know. And six, me say karma knock pan Keona door like when Shana knock and say 10.
Guys, in a big one, I'm money gun now.
Fuck me son, just leg on me son. I saw karma come knock pan blood clot K door fast. Like when Shana beat down 10 blood clot door and said 10. You think you come fuck me and just leg on me son?
Thank you.
Let's saw karma work Onella, be careful what you do to people in a life. Karma come knocking. It's just your time. Take your beat now, hold it like a blood clot, G. Cause you sit down for Rochelle pussy clit and you know come out for the blood clot, girl. At your time now. The moment you sit down and focus about Rochelle, at the time, your blood clot marriage are wither away. Wither. And you know, focus on that for sister. Mama focus on my life. But no, you focus to tell 10 say, him mother pussy big, no man a fuck in a church, pastor fuck her, deacon fuck her. Yeah, that you're busy doing. You're very disrespectful, Kayona. You can't keep a man. And you're not gonna ever keep a man for long. Because of your blood clot mouth. And you're so cocky from them not telling the truth. You don't have no friends. You don't have no friends. Blood clot. You don't have nothing in them friends because them not telling the truth. Say, your mouth make you married 16 times, divorce 16 times, have 16 balloon. And your mouth. That is why you cannot keep a man. Your mouth and your hole. That's all the problem, your mouth. And you feel like say it cute. But sit down and want for disrespect. When a man love their mother, a man love their mother. You have boy out there will love their mother dearly. If you diss their mother, them diss you, them forgot about you. You have man out there will love their mother and respect their mother. Keona no manners mash move her blood clot from here. Say you come about my mouth this and my mouth raw. I'ma tell boy things to at them. Me hear the man ask you upon the light this morning, have 10 ever disrespect you? No. He never tell you about your mother? No. So you want to tell the man say mother pussy big and her clit long? Make it make sense. Who is really the problem? Because you put you one thing like say, every man fuck per woman, Onella, your man fuck per you, bad man fuck per her, all of the girls make comments man fuck per them. Man is just man. Man I go always fuck. We can't stop a boy from fuck. But at the end of the day, she is the problem. She not no respect. She not no respect. I want to tell her the truth. Everybody fuck by each other, but you don't have no respect. Your mouth big and loud and you want to shout and move and call every mama bumbo clot. Suppose the man see Shana like Shana personality and Shana just come and humble, she not do the bag of drama and re. I'm tear bad dog. Relax, man. Relax. You know, sit down as a big woman and looking at yourself and say, boy, you know, say my mouth make me can't keep a man. My mouth, you're too disrespectful. In a relationship, you respect me and I respect you. Fuck pan at the least. If a boy fuck pan you gonna say, and that make him not respect you. Fuck I just fuck. Boy fuck and boy fuck I just so it go. Man a man, man I gonna always be man. But remember in life.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I hear Shay mention something where Kay said, like she has said she know whole crutches principle. You say me I say the man there with woman out the road, she also there with man out the road. She run her thing brawling, ray, this and that. So the man find a bad girl. You see me I say we know whole crutches principle more than you know whole crutches principle. And my people, although people are call up Shana name, Shana chin name say she had this and she had that, you know. I'm telling you know my people. Shana good as all have a good crutches on there, you know. Because even her ex-man come talk say, yo, that girl are tight. You see me I say? So my people, why this girl always get some man and a hold on upon them for a period of time? Get all bends out of man. She must have go out with sitting. And right now the muckers them a do it. You know what I mean? Good girls are win same way, you know, my people. But the muckers them a win too. Let me know how to think, make watch some more.
If a boy wants to change for you, him is going to change for you.
I'm not gonna lie, when we was on the live and I seen Shauna and he was talking, she just sat there and he was standing up and he was talking and he just sat there quiet, wasn't saying anything, just sat there and looked at him. And I'm like, maybe maybe she makes him feel like a man. You never know. Like
Onela,
maybe
that is why Mr. We don't know. Kayona more big and loud and have this pitbull and this disrespectful behavior. So maybe Shana talk with him with the respect. She deal with him like a normal, civilized. Kayona, and she that. So what you expect? Uno say Shana the worst, but guess what? She have good personality. Suppose tensus in a Shana where I'm like when don't like in a K. I saw it go, Onela. It saw it go. So the internet probably, I'm not gonna say we, cause me not see her as no worse. But the internet probably see her as the worst piece of shit or the worst piece of dog. But suppose him like for her personality. And how she calm and melly with him and everything. While Keona sit on every day and bark like a dog. Rah, 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 rah. And she angry. Suppose that is the problem, Onela.
two women are just in love with one man, you know? I think the two of them probably, I think Shauna in love. The way she looks at that man, I think she in love. Like, even the first time when they came out and the way how she was looking, like, no, I wouldn't mind pushing it too. I don't know. But I think both of them love him. I think Kay still loves him, and I think Shauna is falling in love with him. So I think both of them still have feelings for him. And he probably got good pipe. So you never know.
Well, it is what the blood clot be.
Come to Jabass.
Maybe Shana bring him more peace. How about that? Don't pretty top Onela. Maybe Shana bring him more peace. Instead of blood clot antagonization, back in him, blood clot ears and back in him. Oh, rah, 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 and bad dog and bad up in blood clot. Maybe Shana bring him more peace. You don't think about that? Peace is everything in life.
Shay, I'm not gonna, thank you, Pumpkin. Shay, I'm not gonna lie. When we was on the live, I kind of felt bad because even you said it today. You don't ever married man. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of felt bad, Shay, because I know they not together, but it's still a marriage. You know what I mean? So I kind of felt bad. I felt bad in my spirit. I felt bad in my soul. I thought that I was doing something wrong.
I don't feel bad. If I tell the truth, I tell the truth now. I don't feel bad. Let me tell you something. Not because me is a woman. It's not every time I do things, me I go give on the right feet. I am not a woman empowerment as what them say, because them say me love bring down girl, which are true. But me's not a woman. When I truth, when I tell me talk the truth, me talk the truth. Me not care about girl and boy. Just because when K come and say, oh, me and him left, I'm a fuck pan him and fuck a boy, and a boy buy me this and I'm a house and buy me that, and a boy give me icky or so. All of those says it's embarrassing. Come now, Onela. We're gonna talk. Why did you say, but Kay, you're still married? Why did you say that? Because if we tell the truth, we can't tell the truth, you know, Onela.
It goes both ways. 4 roses, please. It goes both ways.
Exactly.
Yeah, it goes both ways.
If we just tell the truth and done and pretty up nothing.
Yeah, it goes both ways. It goes both ways.
When man wrong, you give them wrong. But just because woman always right, anytime them come down man, wanna bring down the man, them all man are wicked, man are this, man are that. 2 wrong no make a right. When you come on TikTok, come talk, or you give a boy a bad fuck. I use a fuck, you say you now want no pussy for no man. It's embarrassing too. It's the same thing.
Guys, double up, please. Nobody not no money gonna get.
You not step out. You not step out with your fuck. And 10 must step out with feel fuck. I tell the problem. Because you say pan the internet and pan the internet. Remember say K can't post for a man them a share fuck. It can't work. Them the boy they can't get no post. Remember now your man alone everybody man. We know that. And then me say it. And them text me and tell me from down a Baton Road Mobile. Them say hide my ID and I hide them ID. Me not tell you now who tell me. The girl them tell me. K can't post a man and share fuck. That would never work. You know work that way there. Remember man live with baby mother and man have man and so. Not man, sorry. Remember man live with them baby mother and man have other woman out the road. Can't post. No work out that way there. That's how you go. Moderator block them out of my comments. Tell them to come eat me. What I want to kill me and them me. Uno been a fuck. So when a man, me not understand. Uno been a fuck. So when a man fuck it hurts, you know. I wanna been a fuck. Cause remember uno come talk on a raw truth boss. Uno come talk say uno know whole pussy principle. Uno fuck. I wanna fuck it. So what the problem? What is the problem? Me not see the big deal. Uno buy a spire.
What you do? Yeah, anybody will sit up and candy know what that candy do. Well, trust me ladies, it was a nice it was a nice rap, it was a nice discussion. I kinda love the discussion.
That's why your blood clot go. As a hypocrite, why were your blood clot?
No, it was a nice.
Until I try to get rid of you.
No, I'm gonna never do that. You're mad. Brother, try to get rid of Jabass right now.
You know, I realize the world not living on it now.
Yeah, mama.
Because for some woman, and only man alone get wrong. It's like you always feel like someone right in everything.
Bye bye, Ja. Bye bye.
One so good. One.
Bye, Ja.
One so good.
The apart from the woman say left. See like an old man come and say a while ago, I say left. And then left a few times left, my girl. Me not play no more, man. I go on, man. If you go on, my girl, me tired. My brain will refresh now. Yeah, I'm here apart from the top switch so bro. If the girl go on now, bro. You have said enough, you understand. You have said enough, you understand, I like it. I love it the way you say, I have to speak the truth. Good, congratulations, go on.
Yeah.
Okay, continue, I'm listening.
Yeah, hey, man, something new to tell a girl. I mean, I tell her she over here as a coffee, our friend.
Wait, who's my friend?
Some people tell me what they think in the comment section. Make watch some more and then move on to the next.
No, but you want to time up now, man, because I come like a man.
Me and the bear for money, that's why.
Yeah, it's all. If you don't go, we are going to jump in the water.
They don't want me to leave, I'm not going nowhere. Ask her.
I think I tell you the truth. Let me go.
Ask her. Ask her.
I probably want to put people in a more real question. Them don't know what I do. Make him go on then, man.
Ask her. Ask her.
And then I make you know me love you, baby. Just circle me now.
I'm not going nowhere.
Somebody's want to add my girl. Stop holding me down now.
Not going nowhere.
No, big bad, not going nowhere. We have big bad every night, girl. I'm just going to be back to go on.
Not going nowhere.
On the line. So you know, text me back and tell me say everything alright now.
Stop.
No, but you tell me say everything alright now.
Stop.
So you know alright.
Stop.
I'm not saying I'm not saying alright, girl.
No, ask me. No, stop.
On the line.
I want
Is
to
it yes or no, baby girl?
Me don't know yet. Me have to go look.
Let me tell you in the chat. Zane, what do you go so? At first, because I looked up on your face, so I know it's serious, babe. But I think you got to go now.
I'm not going to. Continue, Shay. Me, I listen.
My dear.
She not gonna win. She not gonna know win.
Good on it, good.
She not gonna knock her down. She not. I'll be a hypocrite. At least she knows she'll get a fair answer from me. She not get no fair answer from me.
What? Then come to no girl?
I not look Panja.
Listen, if a fella is a girl, he just all go right down to back. I mean, you know much wood me have a chop put on the fire last night. I have to tell blaze back in fire. I make it out and wet up.
Now you know you want them to argue. You want
no,
them
I don't want them to. I don't want no. I know.
yes,
I don't want no.
You want them to argue.
No down. 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 No
you
down.
want it to prolong because you want
yes,
it to.
I want it to prolong.
You want the two women them to done themselves on the internet.
I want it prolong. I want it pro shot. I want it pro known. Everything.
Yeah, with your comment section. For your comment section, I talk about people must jump on this and that. Why you don't jump with them?
The comment section support them, mama. But you busy with them?
Tell them.
When you go lick out to the mama, like people them and type on the like a jump. Hello, Baba.
You read comments. Girl and boy a feed you.
You know,
Comments.
a papa show you must think of me and people making me like reach for your life.
No read comments, mama. You know, Jabass comments, mama.
Yeah, when they might cuss, it's so sweet. When they might say, man, this spread him out like a bread and lick you out. You see?
Listen to me, Onela.
I'm listening, Dave.
Me and Shana go for a phone call.
Yeah.
Me and Shana talk.
Yeah.
Hours pan top of hours. Call pan top of call. Video call pan top of blood clot video call. At one time Kayona called me for chat Rochelle and I get a reconnecting Diane tone. And that was just it. Me and Kayona sit up on phone call and chat people and no friend and no company and no side and no. Me and Kay wasn't a friend. It's just TikTok. TikTok, Onela, TikTok. You want me to repeat again? TikTok conversation right here, so. 1 and 2, yes. But at one time she come over chat Rochelle and me get her reconnect. Me just lock up the Wi-Fi plus the mobile data. Everything goes up back, beep beep. Beep beep. That was just blood clot it. Nothing else. When Shana call me answer, me miss the call, me call her back. When Shana text me answer, me miss the text, me text her back.
So Onela.
Anything I tell we have to do with Shana and me that. But me never pick no side. I didn't pick any side. I was being neutral between the two female them. I got paid to do something. I do it as fuck. I do my job good. Thank you. Me do it good. Shana tell me thanks. 10 me thanks. I don't give a flying fuck. I got paid to do something. I mean, if you know over put out a promotion. Remember, I know me, as I said to you earlier, I'm going to repeat again.
A liar
Me
tell me
and
slim.
Shana is friend more
Liar
than
tell me slim.
Kay
Liar
wasn't
tell
a
me.
friend. Me and Kay was associate. Me and Shana are friend. I allow Kay for coming on my box and disrespect Shana. I acknowledge my wrongs and I said to Shana, say, I know why you feel no way, you know. True Kay coming back and disrespect. She said, no, I'm there on the live and I see where I go on. But I don't feel no everything good because I'm music, I'm not there on certain things I deal with music. Only let me acknowledge my wrong and I point it out to her as a big woman.
No, me I feel.
I'm going to say, boy, I know I'm wrong. I have Kay coming on my back so I'm disrespect the girl because me and Kay no friend like that. Me and Shana are more friend. Me and Kay no friend like that. I should have stopped her and said, no, Kay, don't do that. It's a review me I do. But me don't want nobody go say, oh, Shay, you choose your side, right? Me make it stay. But me acknowledge my wrong.
When they say that.
Me don't want you feel, if you feel away, me understand. And she said, no man, Shay, I'm a baby man, that good man, me dey on the level and see what I go on. But me not dey on certain things. Me just know say, and music me I deal with. Just do the music and do what you do. The girl no feel no, remember I acknowledge me wrong, you know, Onela, me say me wrong, and me say it to her. And you give me the go ahead and say, no man, everything good, me not pray you for that.
No stop the lie.
Onela, she can't pray me, not Kayona.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We are going to move on to the next.
Me and a friend like that girl that TikTok me talk and go up on live and play match or whatever, we have a conversation and chat and ray. I don't know friend business. Me supposed to be a hypocrite, me not want no girl no loyalty. Me supposed to be a hypocrite, me not want no girl no loyalty. Any girl come tell me say me a hypocrite, me not want no nothing. Cause any girl over here fuck no man, me not tell you no me a go laugh on the face and play night no blood clot. Because you supposed to know, me not come at no girl crash out by no blood clot man. Me not want no loyalty, no want no self, no man want no loyalty, not blood clot me.
People are waiting.
Me not want none of the girl over here, so no loyalty or blood clot. Me not want nothing. I mean, I come tell you say a girl I take on a man cause me on no friend. And me on no friend like that. Sit down on the blood clot phone call and chat me and do anything when I want blood clot. One of my problem that on a man own a loyalty, not me. And all of the big pussy girl them on TikTok, when I get take on a man, Lord the blood clot, girl them alone. Go talk about your girl blood clot man. Who not own a girl nothing. Any relationship mash up on ya, the man own a loyalty, not the girl them. On the fuck with the girl them man all on the one. On not owe them nothing. Don't feel guilty or feel no way. You don't owe them nothing. Blood clot. The man owe them loyalty, not to you. And the big pussy girl them over here all love when girl a fuck girl man who don't want to turn up and girl and go on and be at the most way. The girl them no own nothing come suck my pussy.
Bad sound bad, you know. There is chemistry.
The girl them no own nothing. Me a cheer for the girl them fuck girl man. Yeah. Them no own a loyalty. Go take it up with your husband.
It's what I said, baby. Yeah.
So them a call about them trauma, but me have silent stories. Them say me fuck 24 man in a answer.
But yeah, gonna be 34. Hold on. Me see me soon come in the comments. Oh, and share this and share burn up and share bleach up, but you can't say my boss up. No! Only can't say my bus up no blood clot, cause no bus no run. Me not no bus terminus under me. Me might bleach and me might blood clot burn up on me a strip, but me no bus up. Me not have no bus terminus. Me not have no dent. Me not no cellulite. Me not no satellite. Me not have nothing. Me not no bus terminus. So all wanna no come and class me. Oh, Shay burn up and Shay face burn up and Shay skin a strip and Shay that I do blood clot care, but you can't say my bust up no blood clot. Give me a challenge between on a leg. Give me a between on a leg challenge. Between on a leg challenge.
We're gathered here today about this World 10 point.
Give me a between on a leg challenge.
People are waiting, debating, and speculating. Do you have anything to say, Hoda?
Wrong, please. Wrong, please.
There is chemistry. It's what I said, baby. Yeah.
Lot. Me not owe you nothing. Nothing me not owe you war. Me not owe you nothing. No come here and go like say me owe you blood clot, something me owe you loyalty. You come and talk about hypocrite. Me supposed to be a hypocrite. Me no owe you nothing. Me fuck you, man. Me care about who want fuck over you. Me care. Right now if somebody come over here come tell me say them a fuck somebody baby father or somebody, I don't care. Me not business. Me not come tell you no. Me and no friend like that for come tell you no say Chanel. You know, say Jackie a fuck your boyfriend or Jackie a fuck your husband. Hey, you know, Gwenna? Me want nothing? You know, come here about hypocrite. Me not want nothing. Yes, Keona means a hypocrite or it burn you, it burn you. Me not tell you say blood clad Shana fucking Tenny. It burn you. You come here, come go like say me owe your blood clot like you're a boss or you're done for me. I'm supposed to watch your blood clot husband for you. You find time for in a Rochelle blood clot life to you see your husband a blood clot with away. You spend too much time on Rochelle, you not even see a relationship a with away. Come like a feather. And some realize it on a girl on TikTok. Why do you see them come out and say, Miss Triple supposed to tell her friend say, our man a fuck her, re. You want every girl for loyal tune and tell her say, oh, you know, say man a me for pinch you. And some son no bring down Miss Triple because Miss Triple not tell nobody so nobody a fuck. Which that is not fair business. Miss Triple will see I'm blind here and blood clot deaf. Because me realize that you so good girl you can't TM. Cause when a girl come show and pray, you go back go down pan blood clap pill and tell the man say, oh, you know say the Janelle tell me say did that fuck pa me. Go on wanna blood clot go. You go back go bring back the girl them name. And that me sooner do to me. I said me a hypocrite. Me not watch no man phone. Me not fuck man. Me not deal with man. I'm pussy me love. So me not walk and watch no man. Me not care who you be. You could have been my friend. Me not watch your man, girl. Go and watch your man. Spend time go back. Me not watch man. You not go like some me take cock. Me love where every man loves. So the blood clot me I walk and watch man phone for. Me get paid for watch cock. Me look like here. If you walk and steer cock in the right hole. Anyway the cock them want straight go them straight go there. Me not watch no man. No could have been my friend. And me I tell them the truth. Me love my friend them dearly. But me I go tell them the truth. Me not watch no man phone no. Go and watch no man them on yourself. Go watch no man them on yourself. Me not watch nobody man phone no. Me not go see no man a fuck and come tell them say, oh man a fuck pound no. That's not my bit. That's not my problem. That have nothing to do with me. It's not my man. I don't care. The man them a wicked. Them a poison. I dog them name, them just fuck. Them don't give a fuck. You come here about hypocrite like me owe your blood clot, suck my K. I'm owe your loyalty war. You say yes a fuckis. So when you worry about which man a fuck by you for? Can take a sip. You want me come to you, come to you and say, K, you know, say, Shana, and then a fuck. That's not my
People, tell me what you think in the comment section. We could go over Raja and Shay, you know.
business. That not have nothing to do with me. That's not my problem. But hypocrites. And you can't show me up. What you mean by you show me up? Show me up how? How the blood clot ever show me up? How you come by for show me up? Tell me how you show me up. How you show me up? Is my man? What you mean by you show me up? Show me up how? Never know my fuck man. I never know. Oh, you show me up. Show me up how? What you mean by you show me up? The one where you can't show up on girl unless you show say a girl a fuck your man and you say, look how me show up the girl. You know show me up, me no fuck man. Who you for really crash out pan you now crash out pan. Everybody thank you. Who you for really crash out pan you now blood clot crash out pan. But a me a blood clot strength for. You know no file, you know no secret, you know I'm not upon blood clot me. Me not add nobody in my box, no send me no request. I'm lock up my blood clot box too. I don't want nobody send me no request. No send me nothing. Cause remember on a blood clot like me no seminar request. Me not had no bad day. Bitch,
Thank you, sir. That don't look bad, sir.
Shit,
Sir, come in with a surprise, baby.
Road.
Mighty God, Cheryl with a surprise.
That's why me not like me not have nothing no. Because when me not have nothing, the people them come and give me every blood clot thing.
I said, hide my ID. Rasta Tafari, I beg you someone to. And so Cheryl there with me. Cheryl, I hope you not gonna left me. Here, stay with me, baby. Shay, hide my ID. You know, sir. Between me and you. Can't get that vibes like she da fuck the girl them with 10. It's like me, I tell you. What me do? Not a reason. Remember what you're going to come cost? I saw him out lane.
Stroke.
She get 10 strokes to show.
You sit down and waste time on blood clot rushing about her marriage. And your marriage a crashed up. Only your chastise.
There's only 2 things in life that cause lead mouth. False, no teeth and straws. So if she not have straws, if she never get the 10 straws, she have no teeth.
Whatever steady from, what you not do.
The whole of come over here type in your comments like me care. The whole of come over here type in your I don't care what no one say. Me not worry nothing.
I chat for chat.
We not go like for blood clot. I chat for chat this for this and a class for blood clot class. Me not wanna girl no
10 people with a rose.
The one girl me want lie see a blood clot Shana because me not talk for more than blood clot. Oh no. And me not sit down and chat no because when me and the girl talk for phone, Shana talk about business and music and life. And a girl a class say every minute I tell you, you and girl a cussing I shall tell you about your mother fucking at church, your mother a Christian, you know.
It not have to pass 1 or 2 times from she do it the first time we done.
Your mother a Christian, you know. And I get a tell you, say your mother a fucking at church, your mother a fuck pastor. Can't move your blood clot, that's why you can't keep a man. The things that come out of your mouth is distasteful. And the girl in the comments, a boot side chat, and I tell her, I say, oh, I saw my mouth bad too, you know. Okay, me and you the same thing. Oh, me and that. If a man love his mother, everything what you and the man have, you tell him about his mother fucking a pastor, church, this, that. And the woman a Christian.
That's why
You
man,
know,
can't beg on
respect. Some man have lose respect for you. That is why you're married 16
You can
times
take
and
a
divorced
lady out the
16
hood, but you
times.
can't take the hood out the lady. Them gal they are all macabac. You can take a lady out the hood, but you can't take the hood out the lady. Them gal they are all macabac. You can't expect better.
That is why you're married 16 times and divorced
11
16
people with a
times.
rose. Come on, chat. Everybody drop a rose. Everybody drop a rose, chat. Come on, rose. Everybody drop a rose, chat. 500 people. Everybody drop a rose, chat. Drop a rose, everybody. Come on, man. We can't get the rose, then, man.
You all, when you antenna course, all your mother hear your class 2 woman hear your class or tell her the things them. What you expect, miss? That is why you're married 16 times and divorced 16 blood clot time. You can't keep a man because I know yeah. Una disrespectful bad. That is why you don't have a man to today, yeah.
People with a rose, chat. Come on, no chat. 500 odd people. 2 more rose. 2 more.
That is why the nana man. Man eat to no. Man eat to no like poison. And the whole I know coming and comment section of boots are.
Global sassy big one galaxy.
Your mouth are your biggest blood problem. You come talk about you want class boy and tell boy things to hurt them. When you have a man, ladies, when you have a man and them love their mother dearly, that will cause them to sweep away from you. No man not go steal, cause me tell you, una boy a class mother. Una have a man there, leave the mother them outside. Them not have nothing to do with nothing wanna do.
Every girl me say take them man, bring him come a foreign. She the only girl there foreign and me say fly back come a Jamaica come live for a man. Never see that yet in my life. That girl there is a backway girl.
That is not cute.
That girl there is a backway girl.
There's something good you do. Your mouth are you done for that so you can't keep the man. That is why what day you there with the boy on a Trelawney and you and the boy left you go take one boy in a mobile in a bottom road. They have 3 pitney and 3 baby mother. Come on me.
Yeah, don't have bottom road or mobile. You hide the ID?
No, I hide the ID. I'm not talking about them. I'm not do that. I'm not when the people
hide my ID. Hide my ID.
Give me the information. I'm not gonna do that. That is why Kayona, that is why you and the boy left down a blood clot Trelawney and you go take one man down a mobile, down a bottom road. Because you don't know to keep by your mouth.
Mother who live in the yard say if them come and TikTok you're done with them. You are pretend like you're the landlord. So anything in the yard belongs to you. And I'm sorry, you need to tell the internet say you're under investigation, Rosealee, for the firearm that they found in the yard. You need to tell them that. And you're willing to blame your baby father. You're willing to tell a lie on the man. You're willing, and you have all of these people supporting you without reasoning. Them not have no reasonable cause, you know? No. Them just want to support you because them dunce and illiterate. Yeah, you're setting up the man and you know, sister, you set up both Akeem and yourself. Why them never go with, if police find gun in the yard, Rosealee, why them never go with nobody when in the yard, put a Shanta Barbar? Why them never go with nobody? Them definitely waiting on you. The police them discover that Jakes isn't living there over 2 months now. Tiki Wagwan Godas. The police they realize that Jakes isn't living there over 2 months now. Over 2 months. Who have been visiting your yard? Then me can move out of one yard over 2 months. And police harass me after me gone. Say things fine in the yard and it belongs to me. No, me move my gun with everything. Why would I leave my things? Why would I leave my things? And I'm not coming there. I'm not even going there. Tell me the truth. But because you have so much dunce people for your life and follow you not daily, them just sit down and laugh after you. They must support you in your demise. In your demise, they might help push you down and you don't realize that. And that little fellow, you see the little backseat fellow when you Akeem, you see that fellow, he's a thief.
My people will not talk much, you know. Tell me what you think in the comment section because what's so more.
He's a thief and a wicked, and all they do is plague on people, use people. Me not understand how what can step up on Rosealee borrow $800,000. Give your mother you never buy bike. Why you never lend your mama the bike money? Why you never lend your mama the money where you used to do the care package to give the people in my country? Do you know them? Do you know the people them down there? Why you take up your mama in needs? Your mama in a need, you know, and you take up your money, go and buy a care package. Me never buy nothing in nobody a country when my mama wanted. Me never did I go do it. Me not so holy and righteous. Me never did I go take up. My mother my mother can want 2 sheets of zinc and me carry 5 sheets of zinc that country because I lie tell you would all have zinc on our window. All pan our window zinc with the zinc with make door. You don't think it's alcohol? Windows and door. Oh, me not ask you no. But because you now wash the money When I clean the car, when I busy I do. You borrow Rosalee's 800,000. We should use waiting to the vehicle. When the vehicle want license and insure again, we should use the child, the woman have 2 picnic and live nowhere. And you choose to borrow our money. You and people sit down and not see the wickedness. This is why Britney is like Britney, because of a world dog though behind closed door. And when Britney talk, the whole of us say Britney ungrateful. The whole of the class Britney for world dog. I remember all of uno and see the same thing I turn on ya. She buy vehicle, you say help her buy vehicle, you know. And you buy and your mama in need and she. So where Akeem money then? Akeem not say have money. Akeem not have a team where him and them roll out. Exactly, Jody B. Me would borrow it too. You know, make sense, my baby. I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about me with a borrow it too. Me not chat about that. Because you're not helping the situation. Right now, we're not defend Rosealee, we're not defend Akima, we're not beat them. It's a situation we're talking about. That's why it's how to learn. It's the situation I'm talking about, how wicked people be. I don't care if you want to borrow it when you want to lend it to. I don't care about that. We just talk how people pray and people who them stay that they might help. That's all I'm talking about. So we're not talking about me that borrow it too. That is not what I'm talking about. Focus. Me not do nothing, me I get violation. Yeah. And that me I talk about my love. Of course, my user, if you tell us my user, it's not a problem. And you see, because it's not a problem to her, it is always going to be, she's always going to be a problem to me, because she's going to make other people like miserable. And that's just the case. She make other people's life miserable, and that's all she wants. Remember, say I dash the stripe off, you know. I dash the stripe off. But when we tell you how the child stay, when you don't believe me, look at it. The whole of last week she tried tearing down Jakes. Answer somebody. All of last week she tried tearing down Jakes. So till everybody else said Jakes too wicked, Jakes this and Jakes that. True or false? So why from the police them get involved now? Everything gone quiet. That we can't understand. Remember you not save Jakes now, so you can talk about it. Remember you're not saving Jakes, you can talk about it. And the lawyer office can't tell you not to talk about what transpired on Sunday. It's just that they're not giving out certain secret. But because you're under investigation and you're in the wrong, you have to keep your mouth shut. You gotta keep your mouth shut. Because if police come on me yard, we can't say people, the police them come on me yard, my love. When you will see the big run-ins later on, that's why I tell you God now sleep. God now sleep. You like to talk. You like to talk, so you can't tell me, say. You understand me? You cannot tell me, watch your ice cream on the phone. You cannot tell me, say. Yeah? You're not under investigation. All of a sudden is labored. Is labored. Rosealee prides herself and changing the thought process of the people on the internet. She prides herself. She prides herself on that. She just come with an argument today and kill it tomorrow. That she don't lie and skydive, man. Talk or police say Akeem for come in with every paperwork, so I'm in birth paper. Yeah, tell Mr. Lee that. We're gonna kill this and that reach, you know. Rosealee put Akeem in this. And Aki might not want to sit. So you go and Diamond might not want to sit and talk. So you go. Rosealee put Akeem in a them back.
People, tell me what you think in the comment section, because Akeem I'm one big man and can make him own decision and him know what right from wrong. So if him see certain movements and him not take away himself, he's to be blame also. Let me know what you think.
All because she wants his attention. And so quick Akeem call her when him hears the police there because he knows something they hide. Da da dee. I tell you, say, I only let out the secret. I show people can't read them, see it. And you let out the secret. And you come and talk about, yeah, Akeem call me the same way OCD, we need to call CDA for your picking them. Just because you want Akeem's attention. And when Akeem come here tell him to drive. You do it. Anytime you and Jake kick off the pin of them, don't eat until you and Jake start back. And people never really see that yet. You have to say nothing. Yeah? Kill this girl. Kill this dirty girl. And wicked. We don't want to hear about Laverne. How the case go? The whole of last week you beat with Jake, so I know you want to shut up. How the case go? How the case go between you and Jake's mom? All of a sudden, I love her. You now leave her halfway in the story. All the case go Rosealee. Can you go down to the liar office, you know? Oh. Remember you did, I forgot get one liar. You know, tell the people them that. Eh? The saga from Sunday just dead Monday. The saga from Sunday and die Monday. This is what you do. And when people talk now, leave the girl. She try to come up with her cars. She put Akeem in a batty hole. When you know you call the police and I tell lie. Gotta watch your Rosealee. Gotta watch you. You're too evil. God is watching you. You're too wicked. You want the internet for yourself. Take it. Them for charge you for the gun. Them for charge you for it. Cause since you know say at Jake's own, why you have it in there? And that the officer them for ask you. Why you never can't come at the station? Eh? You can't say you're in a business. Cause they believe it for you. I remember Jake's not teach people things. Remember Jake's innocent. You don't want to talk about it. Yeah, bring Laverne. Nobody don't want to hear about Laverne. When we don't know, say, all of them sex Jakes. We don't want to hear about that. We want to hear, oh, you're wicked. So why you have to call the police, them, Rosealee? Eh? When you know, say, Akeem occupy Jake's space now. And why has Akeem occupied Jake's space? Gun in the place. Answer that. Why when Jake said the gun never in there? Why has Akeem occupied the space? Gun is there. Akeem need to use this, sleep and mark that, because I'm pretty sure. So when, let me tell you something. When the gun hide, make sure no say Akeem no make Rosealee tell nobody in the world and see if you say they're gonna lock this up. So all the information give out, Rosealee. Who borrowed the 800,000 Akeem from who Rosealee? So all we hear about it. Who spit it out of them out, Rosealee? You know me can't understand. Rosealee must tie them from Diamond them go right the Rosealee must die. Because when you sit down and say Rosealee and hear Rosealee and walk and carry back on a name and on a business and on a still a championer, that lady play a number on the whole of you. No, that lady play a number on the whole of them. Yeah. The money is for the go and that me said to her. The money I feel go on. At that me say Rosealee big and dunce. Go use human psychology for the police them now. Since you're so bright in that feeling. Go and use human psychology now. Yeah. Go reason out your case. Because since you brighter than the world in a Rosealee, go and reason out that case here. Because you are the breadwinner for the yard itself. As much as all you catch, everybody else in the broke. Jake's gone over 2 months and gone time. So tell me now, who you ever come at the yard that is afraid of outer road? Hakeem. You set up the woman's son, Annie. You set up Annie's son to get his attention. Alpan Ulster police did there. Rosealee and Akima fight some undercover battle. Some secret behind the door battle. Yeah, she want her 800,000 because it not appear in her mind. It not appear in her mind. Yeah. And that's why when Jakes are going, Jakes leave everything on video. Yeah, case closed. You did that. Everybody on TikTok can tell you, oh, the boy no want you, and you're the Lulu. So here what you do? You set him up. So simple. You set him up. Set him up. And keep no sister, this is set up, you know. And you can't cuss him and dog him out, you know, and tell him say about him and you can't do it. You know why you can't do it? Because the internet is going to eat you. So all this is Shay and Akima pretend them a pretend. All this is Shay and Akima figure it out. I pretend them a pretend. Because nobody don't notice how them a clean up and figure it out and I avoid Rosealee. None of them don't notice. None of them don't notice. Oh, Diamond cling up and figure it out and avoid Rosealee. The girls' weekend done, figure it out, them supervisor feet now. I might do it. The girls' weekend done. Yeah, Diamond not care oh Rosealee the person down now. Gone find in a Rosealee yard and Diamond not even take her. Carol and Mecca now. Figure unwind because this is too much. Don't. This is too much. Carol and Mecca. You think Una could have tricked me? That's why I've been like none of Una on the app.
People, tell me what you think in the comment section because me want to know for machine that. You see me I say, and too much things are going with Rosealee, too much things surround Rosealee. You see me I say something right there so. You see me? And people, them say take sleep and mark death. So if you don't learn from them, look at something that will happen, the bigger things are going to happen. So what you have to do, change up your ways, change your surrounding, change your circle, and you know what I mean? Link with, me know more to say link with better people still. Just know your company, simple.
Me not like none of Uno. Me and Uno can't even have lunch at TST. Yeah, me and Uno can't even stand up in a TST like where I watch them talent contest. Me not like none of Uno. Uno a dog and sorcerer and hypocrite and evil, Obi Walker. Uno wicked. Uno wicked. Yeah. Rosealee want on Dodos. Dodos Rosealee want on. Oh, and a very wicked. Me say, I want police to thorough investigation on Rosealee because little you know, Rosealee in a lot of wrongs, officer. Lot of wrongs, Rosealee in yeah. But you called Franklin Town. Eh? I look man at Franklin Town. Rosealee, you can't call my community. You can't call my community, Rosealee. And that's why you and Akima got through this. Police are locking up and going to the key, make gonna drink it, melt it and go in a tea. Yeah? You go like you done us. Yes? You are bygone. Long time me talk say Rosealee a bygone. Long time Rosealee a bygone. And Roger did banner from town. You want Jakes going, let him picnic them. And you forget lock up Rosealee. And you are buy gun and bullet. And you carry how much gunman got Swiss League party year before. Last year, and year before. One of them year then. Yeah? You carry how much gunman. You're not taught them something, Rosealee. Come now, man. Because you're going to cannot take your virginity. Come now. You. Yeah. I saw the walk on the same way Naya did. The same way Naya did. Because they say, Uno go up on a phone and Uno walk and set up people life. Uno, yeah. And then Uno must walk a road. I fly a key soon fly out there, so say figure it out, gone. I want them fly out like Rosealee. I want them fly out, leave her. Cause you know them like Celine Dion leaving on the next plane out when things get hot on them, and them love come and go like them bad. Them love come and go like them bad. Akim can't get pressed in a caffeine body too slim, him can't take food. But the first cocky him get in them, I go breathe. Them say the same gun we kill Naya, me hear. Me hear say the same gun we kill Naya, them fine. So convenient that the gun that killed Naya, there Rosealee yard since she and Akim turn friends. Since them did say Akim them doing. It's so convenient. Me hear say them find the gun we kill Naya in a Rosealee yard. Yeah. So me hear, you all know say this is a hearsay. So me hear, oh, you all know, cause when me know the thing I hear the thing, me make sure state it. Oh. So I adapt them for top up. Oh shit. Yeah. Those in a hot water for ask her. Anytime she do like tell us on the door want earball laverne. Tell us on the door want earball laverne. We don't want ear about the case. At the case, we don't want ear about the police that she call on the gun. And that we don't want ear about. And ask her about the paper with the JP sign and she there on stay today. Ask her she there on stay station today. Ask her them something there. Rosa do a lot of paperwork now. Rosa get office work. She's doing a lot of paperwork. A lot of paperwork that lady is doing. She's brilliant. She's brilliant bad. She's doing a lot of paperwork. Yeah, man. Yeah. See there? You want to tear down Jakes. And this Zuma man did do. Zuma man did go on forensic. I don't know the boy name. J Forensic. I don't know his name. I don't know his name. She go, Zuma man did go on film program for bring you down and bring down himself. And see then now, you call police and bring down Jakes. And now you have to end up at station. Rosealee, you not escape that 15 years there. He said that you are Akin share the 15 years, 750 each. Yeah. You not escape this. A year ago, you buy Rosealee. J people that sign papers little more. You buy the gun. You, I know you have to itch up a station. Go on, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, split it in half, 750 on the rubbit. It's just that I don't walk a foot Augustus and walk a GP. Yeah? You walk and set up people and set up yourself. Nobody never have to set you up in a Rosealee, you do a fine job at that. Yeah? And that these people for talk about how evil you are. As some know say only for evil people out there. That's why when they hear me say me not like people, when they can't hate me. That's why when they hear me say when me come on the app, me not come with no loyalty, and me not come for look no friend. Because if you can't have your baby father and I set him up 1 years of prison for no reason at all, the same thing when you do on the app to the poor man in the ghetto is the same thing. The man come back and do you two can play the game but his food play it better. And everybody has said Jake's wicked. So all of the big so cocky girl them, all of the lick out batty girl them, where I say Jake's wicked. Let me tell you something. Una sit down and watch Rosealee play in the man face. I kill the manhood. She don't have a man. If him ever succumb for this, she don't have a man. Jakes is not a man if Jakes allow Rosealee to treat him so. He's not a man. And when him stand up, and I know Jakes don't say Rosealee bogo in your nose. You suck out my body all of that. And gonna still not see if I tell her so she's wrong. He said me have a friend and a man like me and Shay and a man kick her. She can't handle the boy in front of me in certain way. Me not ask you. How she deal with him determine me and fair friendship because I know me I got mother for him and the boy don't even like me.
I'm not going here, man. I choose happiness. I choose happiness. I choose myself. Sorry. Yeah, and that she a pay for right now. She have him in a B&B order where she have to pay for. She have a place here, so she have a nice house right here. So which part she there? She not have to pay them the money there. Extra money that she a deal with, but she can save it and buy her grocery. I don't know why she a get miserable.
Some people, Annie and her generation and them saga, cause Anna must see a breed for dance, you know. So we could hear what go on with people.
So, why say what's now she have a baby upon the way? And you know say that the baby they know you are gonna feel sick. Morning sickness and the morning sickness start already upon your girl. Morning sickness start already upon you. So you know you can't go manage. You understand me? Breed, you know now. So now nobody can tell you say that the baby they are not feed. Not true. So you need not up till you make him mark. Not true. Yet still. And still not treat you right. Choose yourself and come in your yard. You understand what I say? But as what you say, a whole heap of woman out there get beaten. Missus, I don't know about the whole heap them what you talk about. Honestly. You try to look like you up on a stage. I tell woman out there said, guys, taking lick from a man is nice. No, as so she make it sound. We not go like man a lick on it too.
You don't go on like man no this, you don't go on like man no that. So you call like she out there preach it to some woman, oh, they take thump in your eye, girl, him love you. When the boy thump me in the right eye, that proves say he wants me. And when him thump me in the left, that means say he loves me. And that him out there preach and tell people picnic. Because I don't know in the pan life I come tell people like say, as some man for abuse you. Eh? Yeah. You don't come like, me see one video when one girl so the boy thump him in the eye, I know say man love him more. Like that like literally. I ain't nothing about that. You have girl pitney right now, you have in any ways you're supposed to maybe you go get one girl pitney. So where you go get one girl pitney, where you go teach your girl pitney say? Eh?
She depend on family planning.
Red and say depend family planning. That red and say no go so you better go black factory go walk. No blood creep family planning, you better go black factory go walk. Baby I come, you have box of diapers to buy. You have burn out your red color. And that me I tell you about the family planning. My side guys, double tap chat. Eh, red and say family. Chat double tap guys. Maybe that should tell him. I must that should tell him. Yeah, me go block you, cause I don't know who you. Yeah, you not have no DP. So watch this a dirty smarty I could build up page. Move your blood cliff out of the life. Like, where? You build up page. Not even you even have no follower upon your day in the ratty chat. Where? I block you.
Somebody asked for one breed.
So Red Answer tried deny, so she not pregnant. Red Answer tried deny, so she not pregnant. Your fat baby a come. You well I know say she pregnant. Go ahead. Of course. Ain't well I know. No girl, nobody come here to talk about any grandmother of now too. Where you count up grandmother stage me for? Guys, everybody drop a rose chat. Where you come here to check up my grandbabies them for? Eh? Tap come here to come brawling out my thing. But that would have been I know for baby that grandbaby that bombard. What? I don't know about with the pregnancy business right now. No, Storm, seriously, I got fired. I can't stay here so we don't know. Guys, everybody drop a rose. I can't stay here so. I'm just a breed up the place. Guys, drop a rose chat. You know not gonna stop my grandmother status, you know. Oh, you know not hold me up in this. I say mad, you know not hold me up in this, you know easy. Oh, you make sure you not breed, you know. Make sure not breathing now go on there, so, you know. Oh, make sure you over there so nothing about no breathing, you know. Oi, make sure say no breathing in your head, you know. 2030. 2030, you can give me one grandbaby.
Well, me at 25.
What?
Me at 25. You have 5 more years.
Oh, me have 5 more years for myself. Thanks. Oh, you try best to make Jaga breathe, you know. You're the family plan, me check it for now. Oh. Chat, use the triple chat. No, man, I have to check them, man. Them too much. No, man, I have to check them, man. Me really have to check them, chat. Chat, use the triple chat. Me really have to check them. Them are going too bad because if that they be a big, a 4 grandbaby that would be, you know. And the wrong red dance is saying the family planning. In the family planning, you are red dance. When I like to you, my love. Chat, use the triple chat. Thank you, baby. Me not wrong you. Me not denial like you. My side, we're going to sump on the triple team. Straight denial, me go. Easy. Don't think baby easy to take care of.
Remember time I was my family after 30, guess how much feet? Remember time I was my family after 30, guess how much feet?
Which one?
3,000.
No, I go foreign. Me not stay. No, you're kidnapping. Me not stay at Jamaica, you know. No, me seriously. Only way to get you down there, I go foreign. Me tell you something. Me not stay here. Me not staying here. Dead serious. Alright, now me go have nightmare. Me not stay here. What's the matter?
She said her period, not pregnancy.
Oh, who's that period?
Anna said so, them say Anna said that.
Oh.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think. Make watch some more.
I left Jamaica still because it come like so on a plan for breed up the country. God no. This a family too. When it's a family I don't get expanded. You know easy. We can't hold. Daniel says so. Daniel says pre-ride, but Daniel no move for a song way. Don't bother with that. Don't bother with that. She do test. So she do test. She not prego. She not prego. Now I see that test for myself.
So you tell her about human pregnant and human never tell you so. Me say you think Anna tell you say I'm pregnant. You want to tell people say I'm pregnant like Anna tell you that.
You are breathing him. I'm telling people say you are breathing him.
Don't tell him about me coming over.
Chanel, guys, Chanel are breathing.
Don't tell him about me.
Why they never plug in the fridge? But when them even set up a current, we can manage the fridge. We can't do it without the current, the fridge and the panel current. I say, make call somebody and talk to them. Me not look here. You hear me tell her say she tell me so. You love people mix up. No come call me name, no. Don't call me name. I tell her say the girl is pregnant. You know if you ask me how me know. You did ask me that. You jump on it and run gone over there. You should have buck your blood clot too. When do I tell her say she tell me? Eh? I you just soup it up and run gone over there. You should have buck your blood clot too when you gone over there. Yeah, I go tell about my life and nobody name that. Me not tell no lie. Me tell her, me say she pregnant. You never ask me question. Who tell me so? Eh? I mixed up your love.
You're too wicked.
I mixed up you love. You're too enough. You're too rash enough. That me I tell you. Oh.
I own my style, Kiki, me not style, I know me not disrespect you. Me I will a phone conversation. I'm gonna make you know the world don't know. You say yeah, I will agree. I may I play a match, girl. I make a talk, you know, for make. You should make. That is a no. So, how you say me disrespect you? Before me even get make sure end the live, make sure I'm jump. Tell us you should say I'm jump. Is it? Because remember, you know, you're one of the people that we know for stepping our mom's neck, you know. Yeah, you do it good. You do it good. So I mean, I want to just jump and more than you just go over your bone, Kiki, and say you're that wrong.
Then, Minister, not you want to beat that man. How weak. Hey, hoy. Mama. Minister, not you say. You don't come to me. I said to man to you. I say area. Blood clot. Let them go at them bad. Touch the road for me in the Netherlands. Me not look. What? I work me. Hello, I work me now. Simplified down. I work me blood. Let's come here, me baby warmer. Come lend me something there. Come lend me something there. Come lend me something nuts. What do you mean? That's a kind of your baby or someone at the gallery. I pay Tory. Try me look too like gonna work me coming on. Me don't want a girl slump on me. Too much work here and there. Yeah. Buffy! Work here and there. We never enter the ranks. Just look at, yeah. Cause Father God bless me, can't buy the 5, the 10 and the 50 what I close them. And my man say, give my man to me the other day. I don't know, say like that hairstyle, you know. Yeah. Good girl! Hear him not to me, no? If you always do hear, you know. It's that what a trick for me. That what a trick for me, you know. On the tip of him toe. All them toenail check for me. The other boy that check for me, all them toenail check for me. But when I go down like that now. When I go down like that now. I miss my man, you see. He's not avoid me because I'm vexed. He's alright. I work me come. But guys, I look too like when I work me come. Yeah. I always want to walk people over them, man. My husband never gone away. You know, so me and them vex council time. I'm going to go dash with the blood clot fit. Bishop here and bucket up. Yes. Me and them vex. I'm look around and sit and I say blood clot. You know, for dash with this pussy clot, yeah? And dash with the teddy bear and call it up and burn them up. I fire and say, fuck it. You just give my man and say, true? You just give my man and say, true? After say it. I must have about $10 for the dress when I get up for I work me coming on come more clothes. I work me coming on come about $10 clothes. Work me coming on come about that. Me not come about that. Work me coming on come about that. So how is your man? What? Alright, I'm Michi, come here, I'm tell you something. Them say the wages of sin is dead. And what all time people say you can't bury duppy after you can't bury dead after 6. At 4:30, you know you can't still go bury, you know. You don't have to wait till after 6. You know wake up your palm, me know if I know you come type and tell me my man. So my own man fuck on one. Me not asking a blood clot question. Me out to the bottom, what would you say?
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Want wood in my wall, want her?
One bar.
You come fuck up my pussy?
Yeah.
You come grind me?
Small English, man. Speak Arabic.
Yeah, come grind me. Arabic there? Can't work.
Yes?
My people, yes, when it come to Rosealee and Akeem, me confused, me very, very confused still and me can't keep up, me don't know what to believe. Tell me what you think, my people, because me don't know what to believe.
We're not too far. I'm gonna run to catch you. I'm gonna like run to catch man. Go your blood clot, go. And move your ass. When a man a blood clot takes it for me. Me don't wanna come give me a blood clot for about nasty kiki, you know. Hold on there.
Yes, you wanna?
You are.
I'm gear 6.
Not talk first and come.
No, me tell that talk argument there.
No, me about talk first, but just come here.
So Rosealee, me have something. Me say Shay and Kate followed. One piece of banger around 1 o'clock this morning, 2 o'clock this morning, be a cussing over pussy big from over pussy little.
Which Kate that raw truth?
Yes.
Alright. Me can't.
Hold on, Rosealee, just listen up.
No, me can't take that. No,
Fear name call, fear name call. Fear name call.
No, me no want, me can't take that. Me no want that for me. Me no want that. I suck me come for beg. Me no want that. I work me come. Me no want hear what them that suck me them I put in my neck. Me no want hear that. Me no want hear that. Me no do no mix up. At 2025 now, but I bet I run down one boy when I want me to blood clot. And the boy have me delusion. I keep come save. Me no want hear that a blood clot. Me no want them destruction upon me. I saw me come. Me no want hear them this up there now. Me no want hear them mix up. Me not do that. I better run down 2 man for fuck me and them don't want me a blood clot. Me not do them the mix up there, which is so good this man. Why you bleed? Why not take that for me?